What is up, gamers? Today we're going to be going on a bike ride. Lachlan has mine, so it doesn't fall over. And then Jay has his.
And it's very old. I've had this since
second episode, and yesterday's episode. You missed yesterday's episode because you were sleeping. You were watching what?
Daredevil.
Daredevil. So he didn't come out yesterday because he wanted to sleep.
Nope.
In his bed. I'm just kidding. Right, so we'll see you when we're on the way back down the hill. Bye.
And it begins. Leiden and Jay are probably neck and neck. Jay is going super fast, but Leiden is leading. Jay is pedaling hard. So is Leiden now. Jay is going. Who's going to win? Leiden is in the lead. And Leiden wins. Jay lagging behind as he is a loser. Dun 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 dun!